Hello guys, welcome to Color Media once again. My name is Gulshan Jha, and there is another PIL which has been filed in Supreme Court regarding postponement of INICET 2021 exam, which is about to happen on 16th of June 2021. Now there are totally two PILs which has been filed in Supreme Court. First one was on 3rd of June 2021 and the second one was on 6th of June 2021. So what does this PIL says? What are the things given in this PIL? We are going to see those things first. See, basically there are three points given according to these two PILs. First one is totally on the doctor's health. According to the first point, they wanted to say that if the exam are taken on 16th of June in this pandemic, then it will definitely affect approximately 8,000 doctors' health, right? So what are the statement given regarding that is, with the positivity rate in India being 20 plus percent, and in some places it is as high as 50%, more than 80,000 doctors will be appearing for INICET. A conservative assumption that about 10% are infected. This will itself show the difficulty in arranging for beds and life support for nearly 8,000 doctors who will be taking this examination. So they wanted to say that if the exam is taken on 16th of June, 80,000 students are going to take this exam. If we take a normal assumptions according to the pandemic, if we say that if we are taking just 10% affected rate, then according to that nominal affection, at least 8,000 doctors will be affected. As now, according to now situation, the minimum affection rate is 20%. So if we take just 10%, then at least 10,000 doctors will be affected, and it will definitely lead you to the shortage of beds and their lives, right? So this is the first point which is been given. According to second point, they wanted to say that if this exam has been taken on 16th of June, then it will definitely affect the NEET PG aspirants, as well as it is a kind of destruct of central government. So what they state is, it is also a possibility that if the said examination is conducted, many doctors will resign in order to prepare for NEET PG examination, on which it is to be conducted on in August 2021. Since they might distrust the government by not keeping their end of the bargain with respect to conducting the examination after August 31st, 2021, and providing 1 month prior notice. In the instance case, only 19 days prior notice is given. Also, centers for examination are in different states or far from the aspirant place of working, which may require traveling and thereby facing travel restrictions. It is also submitted that many of these doctors are not fully vaccinated, and lot of them have not received their first dose. So according to second point, they are saying that the NEET PG aspirants which are currently working as a doctor and taking care of patients, they will lose their trust on the government, as according to the government, the exam, NEET PG exam was about to held on in August 2021, but according to current situation, as INICET has kind of preponed its examination date, as it's a kind of unannouncedly, unexpectedly disclosed its dates, published its notice for 16th of June. So this unhappening, this unexpected things will definitely lose the trust on central government, and NEET PG students will give the resignation for the preparation of NEET PG 2021, as they will not trust the government. And apart from this, the centers are far from the students or from the places where students are working. So this also needed to be kept in mind, which has been given in the second point, right? The third point, according to these two PILs, which states that it is a violation of Article 21. Now, what is Article 21? Article 21 says that Article 21 states that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to procedure established by law. The state and its citizens have to take responsibility for the right to clean the environment because we live in the environment. So इफ अगर मैं इसे हिंदी में कन्वर्सेट करूं तो ये लिखा गया है कि भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 21 में कहा गया है कि कानून द्वारा स्थापित प्रक्रियाओं के अनुसार किसी भी व्यक्ति को उसके जीवन या व्यक्तिगत स्वतंत्रता से वंचित नहीं किया जाएगा। पर्यावरण को स्वच्छ रखने के अधिकार की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, जिम्मेवारी राज्य नागरिकों को लेनी होगी क्योंकि हम इसी वातावरण में रहते हैं। तो दिस इज आर्टिकल 21 विच इज विच इफ INICET एग्जाम इज टेकन ऑन 16th would be violating this article. So this is what is given in the PIL and which I thought to convey to you. So that's all for today. We will see in the next video. Please share, subscribe and like the channel for next update. Thank you so much.